going to draw and color cherry, which starts from the letter C. So the materials we need is a rubber, a pencil, a black sketch pen for outline, and some colors. So let's start. So first, we are going to make a curved line like this and 2 lines below that sticking to it. Now we are going to draw 2 circles joining the 2 lines like this. So this is done. Now we are going to make a leaf on one of the line which we had made. It is a branch of the cherry which holds it, and one more on the other one. Now we are going to outline it with a black sketch pen. Like this. And now the circles. Now we are going to take colors and we are going to take red. So I have taken red. I am going to color the circles, which is our cherry. So now I have colored one cherry and now the other one. I have colored the cherries and now I will take green color and I will color the leaves. Now we will take brown color and these lines we are going to outline. We are going to color it on that like this and like this. So our cherry is done, and a cherry is a small fruit just somewhat like the grapes, which is also a fruit of green color, and I like cherry. Hope you also like cherry. Thank you.